सभी को राम राम. Jai Shri Mahakal. So let's start this beautiful evening with a very beautiful soul and the beautiful mantra. Karpura Gauram Karunavataram Sansara Saram Bhujagendraharam Sada Vasantam Hridayorvinde Bhavan Bhavani Saitam Namami Bhavam Bhavani Saitam Namami. Hello Priya ji, how are you doing today?
Hi, Renu. I'm doing extremely good, and it's a pleasure being with you here.
You're looking very beautiful. You're looking very gorgeous. The crown. I just love your personality. So this is Renu Mangtani from the platform of Ankakshar Miracles. I'm a certified digital banker by profession previously for about 6 to 7 years. And now I have been turned out to an international renowned author, Youth Icon Awardee by Governor of Maharashtra, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Awardee, national, international, YouTuber, influencer, researcher, and much more. And today we have a gorgeous personality on the platform of Ankakshar Miracles. She is Priya Tiwari. We have a corporate honcho and award achiever with highest number of titles as Miss Central India 2023, Miss International Queen of India 2023, Miss Beauty with a Purpose 2023, Miss Popular 2023, Miss Ultimate Diva 2023, and above all, she has worked for many fashion shows. And also, she has been a jury member and brand ambassador. So, first of all, I would get up and clap for the multi-talented, supremely multi-talented personality. She's a winner of 23 titles. And over to you, Priya ma'am. We'd love to have you an inspiring introduction on our platform. The platform is all yours.
Thank you for such a beautiful introduction, Renu. And, with so much of pride and grace, you have mentioned me in so beautiful words. So, for all the viewers out there, I am Priya Tiwari from the city of Lakes, Bhopal. I'm an engineer honors and an MBA and also pursuing MTech. And I have been a receiver of many awards by Urvashi Rotela, Sneha Ullal, Aditi Govitrikar. And I have worked for Pune Times, Bombay Times Fashion Week, and recently on 3rd May also I worked for the Bombay Times Fashion Week. And I have been the reigning queen for many pageants. And right now I'm the reigning queen for Miss Central India. And I'm also the cover girl for various magazines like Perfect Women, Lifestyle, and also Diva Planet magazine and many other magazines. But yes, poetry and writing articles is also one of my interests. So my anthologies have been featured in some of the books, and this time we are talking about women empowerment and economic development. So I'm also a co-author for this amazing book, which you can see over here. And this was a wonderful compilation. And I love grooming. I have been a communication groomer for many of the shows and a jury members. And also, I'm a social activist. I've been associated with various NGOs. I work for women empowerment and childhood, and I have a rich corporate experience of around 10 years. So, since completing my MBA in 2013 to now, I've worked for various companies like WWF India, Care India, and recently I'm working for Tech Mahindra. And I belong to a family of prestigious doctors. My father and mother both are doctor, and my father is no more in this world, but he has been an international empire, a poet, an Akashvani speaker. So maybe from my genes, I've taken this multi-talented things. So yes, that's all about me, and it's a pleasure being on this platform.
Standing ovation. Beautiful, beautiful. Really, you are an inspiring personality. And also, I was reading to your article. You have described about the ongoing situation in society, like which is living in male-dominated societies. So, what's your say on it, and how do we overcome it to raise the women empowerment and economic development?
I feel that women today, they just are not aware about their skill, and they are not bothered about education. Maybe the brought up is such that once a girl passes her class 12, she's just forced to get married. And due to the Indian parents, maximum parents mentality is that yes, marriage is the ultimate goal for a girl. So I think the society is male dominated more because people are like the parents, the father and all, they are like and also into corporate, they think कि अरे लड़की है ये क्या करेगी. So these kind of things are there because I think the best part for that is education. Once a woman knows how to get educated, it's not about being into like colleges which are costly with heavy fees, but whatever you can afford, at least every girl according to me should be a postgraduate, and you should choose your skills, your career, because education is the key to empowerment. Once you are empowered, you certainly feel and you can solve and make your place in the male dominated society. So women should go for education, and then only this problem of unemployment can be solved.
Well said, Priya ma'am. Because to educate a girl is to educate a family, and we are educating a nation. Because एक वुमेन ही है जो देश को आगे लेके जा रही है. नारी ही वो एक शक्ति है, क्योंकि she is giving birth, and that's why it's the nation is growing, the economic development is happening. So it's all about women empowerment. Also, this book is available worldwide. There are 51 co-authors in this. 51 amazing stories are there. It's available worldwide on Amazon, Flipkart. Right now on Amazon, beautiful offer is also going on. So do purchase it, do grab it, and share your beautiful feedbacks and videos with us. एंड सो टुडे वी हैव एन इंस्पायरिंग पर्सनालिटी, जिन्होंने इतनी, मतलब कहता है ना कि छोटी छोटी बात है, लेकिन उसको आर्टिकल में इस तरीके से हाईलाइट किया. जैसे ये बात हो गई कि मेल डोमिनेटिंग सोसाइटीज के बारे में. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, मैम ने बताया है अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट के बारे में. तो ये इतनी छोटा सा वर्ड है, बट कितनी डीप थॉट है इसकी. तो मैम आप बताएं कि कैसे हम अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, हाउ वी कैन इरेडिकेट और रिमूव इट फॉर द बेटर इकोनॉमिक, फॉर द बेटर वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट.
Mainly I can say that apart from जैसे लोग generally क्या एक ही चीज सोचते हैं, which is like going into a private job or something, but I think हम लोगों को क्या unemployment हटाने के लिए we should like make this concept also very useful, something which is called entrepreneurship. कोई भी इफ समवन इज एजुकेटेड, वो एजुकेशन खड़ा कर रहे हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं क्या है कि वो अपने आसपास के सर्कल में देखें, बिकॉज कई बार क्या है स्कूल्स कॉलेजेस के अलावा भी पर्सनल प्लेटफॉर्म एक एजुकेटेड पर्सन अपना खड़ा कर सकता है, मे बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ट्यूशंस, मे बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हेल्पिंग सम एनजीओ. सो जो भी आपकी स्किल है, नॉट ओनली टीचिंग, बट अगर किसी को क्या है कि फैशन में इंटरेस्ट है एंड दैट पर्सन नोज हाउ टू स्टिच वेल, हाउ टू बी अ फैशनिस्टा, तो वो स्किल आप क्या है दूसरों को दो. हो सकता है क्या है कि एक इंसान INI-FD से पढ़ के आया हो, बट ये कि वो क्या है उसके आगे वाले लोग जो कि इसमें इंटरेस्टेड हो बट आगे नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो फॉर एनी सेक्टर, बी इट ब्यूटी पार्लर्स, बी इट मेहंदी आर्टिस्ट, बी इट टीचिंग, be it any kind of software project. So I think unemployment can be removed more by like enhancing the concept of.
Ma'am, it got mute.
I just wanted to say that women who are homemakers, they can also have their own startups, buy some sort of tiffin center. So ultimately क्या होगा ना कि unemployment तो हट ही जाएगा. Being a homemaker also, अगर वो entrepreneur है तो वो घर के साथ साथ भी क्या है बहुत कुछ ये की कर सकती हैं. Even writing एंड अपनी स्किल को बाहर लाना विथ एनीथिंग, बिकॉज हर कोई क्या है 10 to 7 प्राइवेट जॉब में नहीं जा सकता, गवर्नमेंट जॉब में नहीं जा सकता, कई बार कॉन्स्टेंट्स होते नहीं कर पाता व्यक्ति. But I think entrepreneurship is the solution for removing unemployment, because you be your own boss and become an entrepreneur.
Really thoughtful answer, ma'am. So what was your feeling when you got this beautiful book in your hands and you got recognized as an internationally certified co-author?
I think yes, I was on cloud nine, and I'm extremely thankful to both the people who compile up behind that, Renu Mangtani and Abhishek Chitransh, because this is something I've done different. Generally, I was into poetries and writing more of that, but this time I wrote something for women empowerment, so it was a different topic, and I felt that such beautiful platform, more people should come forward, because there are very few people who are creating platform for the others. So you have created a platform for so many 51 co-authors. So you have done an amazing job, and yes, I'm extremely happy, and I hope this book becomes more and more successful and seen in more and more hands.
if we have successful and inspirational people like you, then successful to ho hi chuki hai book. Thank you so much for appreciating us, and thank you for supporting the Ankakshar Miracles. And we are also coming up with another book, which is My Marriage Bliss versus Curse, where we have 108 co-authors, and we are almost half the way done. Half the registrations are still gonna happen. And interested co-authors can reach out to us on our Instagram handles, which is truth_of_life 82. Abhishek Chitransh Ankakshar Miracles is the Facebook page. And apart from that, we are the Institute of Occult Sciences, Spiritual Activities and Research, where we teach numerology, tarot card reading, and much more. And we also provide you the lifetime support. And we are registered by government, MSME registered organization, IAF AAA recognized from USA. So you can also be the certified published co-author. In just a single registration amount over here, you will get the another book also. So the title of that book is Seven Lee of Life, and we have not disclosed yet about the word Lee, and we will disclose it soon. So today we have the multi-talented personality. तो प्रिया मैम ये बताइए कि आप कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में भी हैं, प्लस आप नेशन के लिए भी ग्रो कर रही हैं, कंट्री के लिए इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, तो आप कैसे मैनेज करती हैं ये सारी चीजें? इट्स जस्ट 24 आवर्स एंड यू आर लाइक 24 आवर्स राउंड द क्लॉक वर्किंग, सो हाउ डू यू मैनेज?
I think कि जो भी इंसान को काम करना है, I think passion is the key. If you're passionate about something, in another case, time management, you should always stick to your goals, and you should make your work goals separate, your passion goals separate. So then you can easily manage, and also you need to have a good network of people around you. Like you have to be very soft spoken and well managed, because if you are soft spoken, then your team automatically supports you that she's doing this much, so okay, as long as you're doing the target. So my office people are very much supportive, and also I would like to say that I've got a very supportive, like my going to be partner Heather, so he's also very supportive. So like many of the things, and a supportive family, of course, because I'm the only daughter in my family, so everyone supports me. Like luckily I'm not too much burdened by family responsibilities or something, so I have to focus on my career and my things. And yes, I have a good network. So I think network, time management, and also if you're passionate about something and there's a zeal to do something, like inside your heart, if you have fire that you have to do this, then you will surely be able to make time for it.
That's really great, ma'am. And so, as I said, she's a successful lady who is the inspiration of millions, and she's a queen of million hearts. So, you're representing India, which is already you are contributing a lot towards the economic development of the country. So, who is your inspiration, to whom you would like to give credit in this video? As definitely he or she will be watching this video later and will be truly happy listening to your words, for what you're today because of them. Mute. It's mute, ma'am. It's mute.
For the inspiration, I think it would be surely like Sushmita Sen. I get so much inspired by her. But in my life, like my support system would surely be my fiance, Mohammad Haider Mukhtar Khan. So he has always supported me and everything in all my journey. And if I'm in a doubt, if I'm in a self-doubt, then he's always there to say ki no, you'll do it and you're better than the others. So he's always been a motivation for me, like always motivated me and been the support, that kind of push sometimes we need. That if I'm studying and I feel that, oh, there is a fashion, so I feel that there's an exam, how will be, so he's always there ki, no, you can do it like that, giving me some tips and ideas. So yes, I think he's the person who is supporting me. He's the motivation.
That's great. And we wish you a lot of success. We wish you should achieve a lot in your future. And congratulations once again that you're representing India. Means आपके ऊपर बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है, ये कह सकते हैं. It's not easy wearing this crown or winning 23 titles. It's like it's not that easy, but I really had so, and I'm really speechless.
Like so from someone, like a person, the best part would be I was someone who was always into studies, a topper, and like I was not a glamorous person. I was like simple living in my studies and my education. And I started this modeling and all just in 2022 at the age of 33 years. So being a 33-year-old person and then like winning so much in Miss category and from being a topper and a studious person to one in the glamorous world, it's so many challenges I've faced, of course, that that style and that glamour, so that was not there in me, but then I developed it, and in 2 years I achieved so much. So that itself is a big achievement for me.
Exactly. Even I also walked through your Instagram page. Abhi, recently you have walked for Bombay fashion show, as you said. The way you walk, it's just I cannot express into the words. It's really, मतलब वो कहते हैं ना कि वो एक मॉडल आइकन की पहचान है, वो पता लगती है. The way you walk, it's
और
really amazing.
एमटेक भी चल रहा है, तो एमटेक भी टॉप कर रही हूँ, टेक्निकल डिग्री एमटेक, और उसमें भी टॉप कर रही हूँ. तो माय कॉलेज पीपल आर आल्सो लाइक कि one day we see you walking, another day we see you in college, you are here writing thesis. So and an office is also going on, so many things parallelly are going on, but thanks to God and all my supportive people, and to even people like you who are always there cheering me up.
We will always be there, and we मतलब already आप इतना कुछ कर रही हैं, so we are really proud to have the beautiful co-author for us. आपका time देना interview के लिए आना, because you are so busy, you have to do lot of work, so आपका 15 minutes हमें देना, plus आपका हमारे book में contribution देना, it's really much more. I really couldn't express your presence over here. And at last, what message you would like to give to the readers of women empowerment and economic developments?
I would like to say that, every woman is a key factor in the development of this nation, and every woman deserves her place and position in the nation. So please educate yourself, never be fearless, be bold, and always express yourself to the best you can.
That's great, ma'am. So, Priya, ma'am, you came and you gave us your precious time. Thank you so much for that. Thanks for gracing the platform of Ankakshar Miracles. We will be back soon with the new co-author. This was Renu Mangtani with the beautiful, superly gorgeous, multi-talented Priya Tiwari. Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye. Thanks for your
Bye.
time. Lots of love.
Nice having you. Yeah.